my lovely viewers, assalamu alaikum. I hope you're fine today. I'm going to show you first design is very cute and very gorgeous. This collection snake earring only 2 and this price is 15,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous, very adorable. This design, if you want, please screenshot. Next design is ring design. Wow, it's just for your kids. Only 1 Anna and this price 7,000 plus. Next design only 1 Anna 1 rupee and this price is only 8,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute this design. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design. Only 3 Anna and this price is 22,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute this design. Next design is very simple but very cute this design. Only 1 Anna. Wow, so cute this design and this price is only 7. Next design is very cute. Only 5 rupee. Wow, so cute this design. Just and this price is only 6,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous. This design is more beautiful. Only 5 rupee. Wow, so cute this design and this price is only 6,000 plus. Very attractive this design. Next design only 5 rupee. Wow, so cute this small design. It's just for your kids. If you want, you give purpose for any person. Very attractive 9 or 6 22 carat. Next design is more beautiful. Only 1 Anna and this price is only 7,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous this collection and a new collection, adorable collection. If you want, please screenshot. 22 carat hallmark earring. Wow, so cute this design, exclusive design, very 22 hallmark earring. If you want, please screenshot this design. Next design is very elegant, unique features. Wow, 2 Anna 5 point. Next design is only 3 rupee 1 point. Very attractive this design, very top and very simple this design. If you want, you use to upper earring design. Wow, so cute this design. Next design is Shuta earring. If you want, please screenshot this design. 21 carat 2 Anna 2 rupee. Wow, so cute this design. If you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Next design is Shuta earring. 21 carat 2 Anna. Very elegant this design and very looking, just wow, very attractive, very colorful this design, very lighting this design. Next design is top design, only 5 rupee and this price is only 5,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous this collection, very exclusive this design. And if you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Next design is top design. If you want, please screenshot this design. Very attractive, very beautiful, very, I imagine this design and very trendy, elegant this design and very craftsmanship. Wow, so cute this design. Only 1 Anna 7 point and this price is only 8,000 plus. Next design is very classic gold earring. Wow, high quality design and the craftsmen make them a must have for anyone looking very. Next design is 1 Anna 3 rupee, very glamour this design. Next design is just for your mother. If you want, a gift purpose for your mother. Next design is a very beautiful earring design. We hope you enjoy see this stunning pieces as a mass, as enjoy presenting them to you. Very attractive design, only top design, only